Hello and welcome to NDTV Profit. You're joining us in this special broadcast where we're discussing Pine Labs' new IPO that's going to come up on the 7th of November. It's going to remain open till the 11th of November. The company is looking to raise roughly 3,900 crore. This includes a fresh issue as well as an OFS component. I have with me Amrish Rao, the MD and CEO of the company. Amrish, welcome to this conversation. I wanted to start with the 3,900 crore number. Since this morning, I've been reading a lot of articles about how it has been cut sharply from what was originally planned a few months ago, the number that was floating around in the market. If you can just tell us, tell our viewers about that, and then I'll come to the valuation question because that's a separate one.
Maybe I'll combine both those questions. See, look, the top 5 Indian banks are clients of Pine Labs. The top 5 retailers are all clients of Pine Labs. The top 3 Q-commerce company, the top 3 online companies, all are clients of Pine Labs. And that happens not just because we have built great products, but also in general, the community believes that this is a good company and these are nice sets of people. If you go to Bangalore, you go to Delhi, one thing that you will always get to hear from the investor community as well as the founder community there is that these are good people, these are people that we like to be associated with. When we are going out to IPO, we didn't want to forget that. We believe that it takes a village to take a company to IPO, and now at this stage, we want to take everybody along as we go forward. It's very important that you price the IPO in such a way that you can take the community, you can take the village along with you. And that's exactly how we have gone ahead and priced our product, priced our IPO. Now at the same time, right at the start of this whole process, what we did was we kept an enabling number on the OFS that our investors would want to do. Our investors believe that they would want to continue to hold on. And what we have done is we have reduced the OFS size significantly because our investors did not want to sell it at that price that we have decided on, because we also wanted to bring the community along with us as we go forward. I have to tell you this, I've got a Gujarati in-law, and my father-in-law actually called me up and said, great pricing. So I have to tell you this, that we have tried to take everybody along when it comes to pricing.
So how much share, basically?
How much share.
Okay, great. So 210 to 221, that's the price band that you're talking about. And at the upper end, it's about 25,377 crore. That's the number that I read and I found out. This is still lower than what the market was pegging you earlier, close to about $5 billion. This is close to 2.88 billion. Is there a reason for that? I mean, yes, I understand your point about you want to cut the OFS size, but from a shareholder perspective, when they're looking into the company to buy into it, a sharp cut right at the IPO, does that cause any concern for them?
Again, the exact same principles that we've gone with. We said that we should make it very easy for people to participate and join us in that IPO. And this has been a philosophy of the company right through the times that we have built this great company. In fact, one of the things which I'll point out to you is if you actually look at our shareholder base, in our shareholder base, we have some great founders which actually joined us on the journey. One of the clear philosophies that we've had for so many years is if you bring the community along with you, I think you're in a much better place. When you price the product in a certain levels, it makes it very easy for new investors to come in and join you on the journey. And that has been a principle on our side. In terms of the speculation about what the pricing could have been, I don't know if you're suggesting I should have been 20% higher. That's not the topic. I think I just want to get everybody along and take them and move forward.
Okay, fair enough. Because the argument has always been that tech companies tend to command a very high premium, and there's not much left for the investor to make money.
We don't want to be lonely. We want to be friendly and take everybody along.
That's a great answer.